So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to this screen. Now to get to this screen, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, but when you turn off your computer and turn it back on, once you see the Windows loading screen, then you want to turn it off again. So turn off your computer, turn it back on. When you see the Windows loading screen, turn it off and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times and then it will take you into here. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then click on Command Prompt. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in disk part, click on Enter. Now we're going to type in list space volume and click on Enter. And now you're going to select the volume that contains your operating system. So most likely the one you want under FS is going to say NTFS. It's not going to be the one that says UDF or CD-ROM. It's not going to be that one. So it's most likely going to be the one that says NTFS and the one with the largest size. So for me it's on 79 gigabytes. So then it should be this one for me, which is volume 1. Of course in your case it might be different. It might be like volume 3 for you, volume 2. But for me it's volume 1. So now you want to type in select volume space, and then you'll put the number of the volume that you want to select. So in my case it's going to be select volume 1, click on Enter. For you it might be something else. And now you want to type in active, click on Enter. And now you want to type in assign, click on Enter again. And now you should want to close out of command prompt. And then you want to click on turn off your PC. And now you should want to restart it again, and then that should fix the problem.